This is how to open the hood on your Chevy Trailblazer. To start off, go down here and find this lever, which is right below the steering wheel, and pull it back. This will allow the hood to unclick, and then go up to the front of the car. And what you're going to be looking for is this yellow lever. So just push that here, and that will allow the hood to lift up. And then while holding this, lift the hood up. Now the hood's lifted up, you can look in here, and this will be the bar that you can use to hold the hood up. If the engine's hot, you can use this foam piece to lift it up, and then take that and put it right here so that you can keep the hood latched up. And then when you're ready to close the hood, just take this back down out of here, click it back into the plastic piece, and then you can lower the hood. And to make sure that it closes fully, just put your hand here and then press down so that it's latched fully.